I'm David Spires. I'm here today to talk to you about something you really don't even care about. Floppy disk, everywhere, are suffering from homelessness, depression, alcoholism. Some are even committing crimes, and in extreme cases, reverting to suicide. Please call 1-800-SAVE the Floppy Disk or go to our website www.savethefloppydisk.org.scam.edu, and please donate your time or money to helping these poor floppy disks in need. Thank you. Good night.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to watch one of our Let's Plays, click over there. If you want to watch one of our shorts, click right over there.
And if you want to subscribe, click right down there. Gotta go.
Pizza time!